In this video, you will learn how to create the blog that you will use as your e-portfolio for your Spanish 2 class. At the end of the video, you should be able to create a Blogger account, customize your blog, and share the link with me. To do this, please go to www.blogger.com. You could also sign into your Gmail account and select Blogger from the top menu, and I will show you how to do that. The Blogger page looks like this, and you sign in using your Gmail username and your Gmail password. And this is what you will see. Of course, it will be a little bit different because you have not created a blog yet. Another way to get to this page is to go to the Gmail page, sign in with your username and password, and on this top menu, select More and click on Blogger. It will take you directly to the same page that I showed you earlier. So I'm going to close this, I'm going to close my Gmail account and just leave the Blogger one open. What you want to do now is to create a new blog. You will add a title, an address, choose a template, and create it. But first of all, let's look at the title guidelines. Your title must be in Spanish, it has to be correctly spelled, must not be offensive. Make sure that you read your Oak Ridge High School Discipline Code Handbook so that you know what rules to abide by. And the name has to be appropriate for the class. Once you decide on a title, go ahead and start with the address. The title can be changed later. For the address, it needs to be very specific. So here are the address guidelines. Please use your Gmail username. That's whatever you have before the @ in your Gmail address. And if that's already taken, then change the 12 to 2012. Let's see what this will look like on the website. Okay, so type your username. You should say this blog address is available. If it's not, then change to 2012 and it should be available. Then select a template and click on Create a Blog. You should now see your blog here. But before you continue, please pause this video and watch Welcome to the New Blogger. Then come back and continue watching the rest of this video. Okay, so we're back. And now you will click on your blog that you just created. You'll see the dashboard that they showed you. Of course, we're not going to use earnings, but it's a good idea for you to choose a template if you don't like the one that you chose at the beginning. Change the layout if you prefer that. And the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to Layout. We're going to click on Add a Gadget. The gadgets that you will add to your blog are followers, link list, labels, picture, but not just yet until I send you the JPEG file with your avatar picture, and slideshow, and this will be done at the end of the academic year. So for right now, you only have to worry about followers, link list, and labels. So once you click on Add a Gadget, it takes you to this page. You'll have to add one by one. So let's look for followers. Click Save. Add a gadget again. Link list. And you will title it Mis Ligas. Leave it blank so you can show all your links. Sort alphabetically so it will be easier for you to find the link that you're looking for. and you'll start adding them one at a time. We'll start with Voki. And in the side name, just write Voki and add link. Later on, you will come back to this one and add the other links that will be useful for your class. So at least you'll have one right now. Now click on Save. Add another gadget. Labels. And change the title to Etiquetas. Click on Labels alphabetically, and you could choose either List or Cloud. I prefer the Cloud. And click Save. Now that you have all the gadgets you'll need, let's organize them. The first one will have your name, so it'll be the first one I will see. Then the About Me. After that, you'll have your blog archive. Then you will have Mis Ligas, then Followers, then Etiquetas, Attribution, and Nav Bar. Click on the Edit Me, please. And change the title to ¿Quién soy? Make sure they include the accent marks and the question marks. If you don't know how to do that, it's easy. Just Google how to type accent marks in Spanish. And studyspanish.com is a very good guide. You can find other ones. Tells you what to do for Windows or a Mac. If you decide to use the international keyboard or the cryptic codes, it's a good idea to either write them down or print it out. Name, I just put a greeting in Spanish, and then I did a short description about myself. You will include your Spanish name, but please do not include your last name. All I want to see is your Spanish name and something about yourself. When it comes to location, do not select this one. Don't write your city or town. Please do not write the region or state, and leave the country or territory as not specified and click Save. Now let's click on Blog Archive. You're going to change the name to Archivo del Blog. It's better if you use the drop-down menu so that it doesn't use much space on your blog page. Archive frequency, do monthly for right now. Please do it the whole month, January. And click Save. Followers, click on Edit and change the name to Seguidores and click Save. Right below Etiquetas, you probably have Attribution. What I want you to do is to click in Edit and remove it. Instead of that, we're going to add another gadget. And this is going to be HTML JavaScript. For the title, you will write copyright. And so now open a new tab and go to creativecommons.org. Once there, under License, click on Choose a License. Allow modifications. It's up to you. I will say yes, as long as others share alike. I will not allow for commercial use of my work. And so now this is the type of license that I have. I will title my work, which is the name of my blog. Write my name. In your case, I suggest you leave it blank, or use your Spanish name or just your last name, really, because we want to keep you safe. Don't write anything. Here's where you type the URL of your blog. Here you write blogger, because that's who's hosting your blog. Leave it as other, multiple formats, because you will add audio, video, text, and images. Now that it's done, copy this, go back to your blog, and paste the code there. Click save. And now click Save Arrangement. And you are done creating your blog. So now you have created your Blogger account, you have customized it. Please share the link with me to orhsspanish@gmail.com. Remember to write in the subject line the number of your period, your last name, and Blogger link, so that you can get credit for it. Adios.